$58 million invested in climate solutions globally. 26 investees working towards a sustainable future. Only one Earth.
$232,058 tons of carbon emission reduced. 4,396 hectares of forest land saved. Only one Earth.
358 million tons of CO2 saved and avoided. 35 million people with access to green, safe, and reliable electricity. Only one Earth.
$70,000 liters of biodegradable cleaning products.
Removing 140,000 liters of conventional cleaners from our waterways.
Only one Earth.
581 megatons of CO2 avoided. 9 million people with access to clean, affordable energy. Only one Earth.
1,000 kilos of recycled materials turned into sustainable fashion. 500 kilos of regenerative fibers.
Woo!
Only one Earth.
4 million insects upcycled into animal feed and organic fertilizer. 60,000 kilograms of organic waste diverted from landfill. Only one Earth.
We have removed 2,500 tons of waste from the environment.
Over 5,000 Japanese entities across the world working to eliminate carbon dioxide emissions and greenhouse gases.
10,000 mangroves planted in the Dominican Republic.
Only one Earth.
Only one Earth.
Only one Earth.